Hello, good evening, students. Hello, Shashank. Good evening. Adarsh has also joined. Praveen. Hello, everyone. So, I hope everyone is aware about the class. Is my audio and video clear? Okay. Okay, thank you for confirming. Let's wait for others. I can see Gayatri, Saksham, Vishnu has joined. Okay, good. Ritu has also joined. Shivani. Okay, so I was doing trigonometry and one introductory class is already done. So this is revision classes we are doing. So each chapter will be of three classes. So one of the class, mainly the first class. First class will be of MCQ questions and assertion reason type of questions along with the introduction of the topic. So I started trigonometric ratios. I hope you have seen the previous class, and if you haven't seen you can just go through that after this class. Okay, so that basic concept clarity should be there. Okay, so we were doing assertion and reason based type of question. So one of the question we already did. Let's do the second question. Before I start question, I'll just tell you the options. So these are the options. I've written the options. So the same options are there. Here I will just write A is true. This is the first option. A is true. R is false. Then R is true. A is false. Then we have both A and R true. Then both A and R false. So these are the options. Okay, so two statements are there. First of the statement is statement A, then statement R. Assertion and reason, we just have to see each statement and based on the options we have to answer it. So let's check. So first statement you can see it's given to us tan 30 plus secant 30 is equals to cot 30. So we just have to simplify this. So left hand side I am just going to solve it and check. So tan 30 plus secant 30 is the left hand side. So we just have to substitute their values. So tan 30's values are standard values. Although I haven't started this chapter, so next chapter one assertion reason question was there, so I am just doing that. In detail we will be doing this chapter after completing the trigonometric ratios, because I have started trigonometric ratios. Now after this I will be doing standard angles, but as of now I'll just tell you their values. So tan 30's value is 1 by root 3. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this value is 2 by root 3. We just have to simplify this. So when I simplify this, what it will become? Denominators are same, so we can just add them. So 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3. So this I can write it as 3, I can write as 3 into 3 by root 3. I have just written 3 another way. See, 3 means what? 3 means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, if you multiply, it will become 3. So I have just written the factorized form of 3 because I know this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. Now, so left hand side's answer I got root 3. So cot 30 I have to find now, which is right hand side. So here I'll do this. Right hand side is equals to cot 30. So cot 30's value, it's a standard angle. Its value is root 3. Its value is root 3. Both A and R are true. Okay, yes, A is true because we have found left hand side equals to right hand side. So A is true. I have shown you. Let's check for the reason 1, statement 2. What is statement 2? Secant theta. See, statement 2 also we have to simplify. So when we are simplifying, so what we have to do, we again have to check left hand side is equals to right hand side. So left hand side there is nothing to simplify. I'll just work out the right hand side of this one. So which is cosecant theta by cot theta. So few relations here I'll tell you which you have to remember also. Reciprocal relations I have already told you. So reciprocal relations, I have already told you one of the reciprocal relation is this. Cosecant theta and sine theta, they are reciprocal of each other. So that means I can write cosecant as 1 by sine theta also. Cosecant and sine, they are reciprocal of each other. In the first video, like in the previous class, I have discussed this thing. So cosecant theta, it can be written as 1 by sine theta, and also sine theta, it can be written as 1 by cosecant theta, because both of these are reciprocal of each other. So here at place of cosecant theta, I am just writing 1 by sine theta. By cot theta. See, cot theta also there is one relation which you have to remember. So relation is the quotient relation. So what is the relation? Cot theta can also be expressed in terms of sine and cos. So which is equals to cos theta by sine theta, where theta is the angle. So this I am just going to substitute here. Cot theta is equals to cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta. So what I have done, I have just simplified cosecant and cot. So I have simplified cosecant, I have written as 1 by sine. So first fraction as it is, I will write 1 by sine theta. When two fractions are getting divided, so this division sign we can change into multiplication, and the denominator's fractions reciprocal we can write. So cos by sine will become sine by cos. Here sine theta and sine theta will get cancelled. So what I am left with now? 1 by cos theta and 1 by cos theta. See, like we know reciprocal of sine is cosecant, same way cos reciprocal is secant. Reciprocal of cos is like 1 by cos is equals to secant theta, and here you know left hand side is also equals to secant theta. So that means this statement is also true. So as Nikhil answered at the starting itself, both A and R are true. So both the statements are correct. Is this question clear? Yes, so Yashvardhan is telling everyone should like this stream. Yes, everyone can like if you are able to understand, and thank you Yashvardhan. Okay, let's do next question. See, when we will be doing the next chapter of trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratio of standard angles, that time we will do some more questions. As of now, I am just going to start with the subjective type of questions like 3-marker questions and 4-marker questions. I am going to start with now. So in between, whatever we have done, whatever formulas we did yesterday in yesterday's class, everything I'll be just doing the recap along with the questions so that you don't find any difficulty while doing the questions. So let's start now the first question. First of all, most of the time whenever you see the question of trigonometry, try to draw the figure. So right angle triangle, only we are going to deal with right angle triangle when we are doing trigonometry. So let's draw the triangle first. It's given in a triangle ABC, right angled at B. Triangle ABC is there, which is right angled at B. So that B is right angle. That means angle of 90 degree. So this is AC. So this triangle ABC. Here it's given to us AB is 24 centimeter. It's given to us AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Determine what we have to find: sine A, cos A, then sine C, cos C. So whenever we are doing the question of trigonometry, the very first thing which we have to do is to find the all the sides of the triangle. Here you can see in right angle triangle, two sides are known. So third side AC we don't know. So always remember, first of all, what we will do, we'll find the third side also. So how we can find third side? Yes, by Pythagoras theorems. We'll make use of Pythagoras theorem. See, when we were doing the questions of MCQs, that time I told you you can just remember Pythagorean triplet. Yes, 25, 24 and 27 is the Pythagorean triplet. But here you just have to find, because we are doing subjective question. So directly we cannot write. We have to use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC properly you have to write in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem? You can write the formula. What is the theorem? Formula of the theorem you can just comment in triangle ABC. So it is square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of square of perpendicular and base. So P square plus B square. So we can apply. So here hypotenuse AC. So AC square is equals to perpendicular, which is 20. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Ma'am, I didn't understand. See, whenever we are doing the question of trigonometry, here first of all we have to find, we should know all the three sides of a triangle. So here two sides are known. First side AB is known, BC is known. So third side we can find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem, so formula you should know, it is the square of the hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So I have just written the formula. Now we can just write AC we don't know. AC square is equal to AB's value we know 24. So 24 square plus 7 square. So what is the square of 24? Yes, Shashank is giving the answer. So square of 24. What is the square of 24? 576. Square of 24 is 576. Yes, so square of 7 is 49. And here the square, if I shift to other side. See, here I had AC square. When we shift this to other side, it will become square root. When square we shift to other side, it will become square root. And when we add both of these, 576 plus 49, it will become 625. So square root of 625 is equals to 25. So we used Pythagoras theorem 25 centimeter and found the value of AC. So this is 25 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of sine A. Sine A. See, here is angle A. I have just marked angle A with different color. So with respect to angle only we have to find the value. See, sine's formula. What is the formula of sine? What is the formula of sine? So answer already given. Okay, so formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So those who don't know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular means the opposite side of that angle. So perpendicular is opposite to A. Which side is the perpendicular side? Which side is the perpendicular side? BC. BC by, yes, BC by AC. Hypotenuse will always remain fixed. See, hypotenuse of this triangle will always remain fixed. Only perpendicular and base they will interchange with respect to the angle. Now, with respect to angle A, perpendicular is opposite side. So, opposite to A is BC, this side. So, BC's value we can write, value BC is 7 and value of hypotenuse 25. So, sine A is 7 by 25. So many of you have given the answer before me. So very good. The answer was correct. 7 by 25. Now sin C, now cos A we have to find. In first part, we have to find sin A and cos A. So what is the formula of cos A? What's the formula of cos A? Cos formula. Yes, so Sami has given the answer. It's base by hypotenuse. Base is the adjacent side. Base is adjacent side. Hypotenuse is fixed. So adjacent side with respect to that angle. Angle we are considering A here. So A angle I have highlighted with different color. So adjacent side means the side which is in contact with that angle. So you can see AB is in contact other than hypotenuse. So side AB is in contact with angle A. So that means base is AB with respect to angle A and hypotenuse is AC. So if we substitute the value, AB is 24. So 24 by 25 is the answer of this. So cos A is equals to 24 by 25. So Ankita, Shivani, Tarunya has given the answer. So Shashank has given before itself. Sami has also given the answer. Now second part we will do. Now sin C and we have to find cos C's value. Second part. Sin C. Sin's formula is same formula we have written. Now with respect to different angle we have to find. So angle you have to see. Now this is the angle with different color I am just highlighting. So sin's formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is opposite side. So with respect to C. With respect to C, the opposite side. Which one is the opposite side with respect to C? So 24 by 20, sin C is 24, okay. So perpendicular side is AB. Opposite you have to see. So opposite to C angle is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So answer of this one is 24 by 25. Yes. And what is the value of cos C? Cos formula we know it's base by hypotenuse. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Base means adjacent side. So adjacent to angle C. The side which is in contact, that is BC. You can see here. So this is BC by AC. So BC's value is 7 by 25. So you all are very fast. You are solving it before me. Very good. So Ankita, Shivani, Nikhil, Saksham, Rishik and Sami, Tarunya. Everyone has solved before me. Good. If anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. Easy. Yes, this is very easy. Let's do next question now. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know in between. I didn't understand. Who is sigma male? What you didn't understand? Full question or any part of the question? No doubts. Okay, let's do the next question. So what is given to us in Romit? Okay, we'll see. If full question you don't understand and afterwards I'll see. You just see this one. If any part of the question you have doubt, you can just let me know. Romit. Okay, Romit. Any part of the question you didn't understand or full question only? Yes, Sanjay has also joined. Okay, let's do next question then. ACB is right angle triangle. So first of all, let's draw the triangle. It is ACB. ACB is right angle triangle, a right angle at C. So accordingly, I have drawn in which AB is 29 units. So AB is 29 units. Then BC is 21. BC is 21 units. And ABC is theta. So this angle is given to us as theta. Angle B is given to us theta. What we have to find? Two things we have to find. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. And second cos square theta minus sin square theta. So first thing what we have to do. See individually what we need here, individually we need the value of cos theta and we need the value of sin theta. Once we get the value of cos theta and sin theta, we can just substitute here. We can substitute here and find the required things. But for finding sin and cos, first of all the three sides of the triangle should be full question. You just see this question, the question is similar, so you'll be able to understand. So what we have to do, what is the first step when we do these questions? Because the pattern you have to always remember, like what should be, what we have to do at the starting. So how should we start this question? How should we start? What is the first step which I always tell you people to do? Yes, so Pythagoras theorem. First of all the three sides of the triangle should be known. So we will make use of Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, so fully you have to write. I hope you are writing along with me. So if only you write along with me, you will understand it in a better way. Don't simply listen, just solve the questions and write along with me in a proper way. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, I am just writing hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse is AB here. AB square, directly I am writing. So this is hypotenuse, longest side of the right triangle. This one is perpendicular, this one is base. So square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square plus BC square. We can just substitute the values now. AB's value is 29. So 29 whole square is equals to AC. AC's value is unknown. I'll be just writing it as AC only. BC's value is given to us 21. 21 whole square. 29, 21, 20. So Yashwardhan has given the answer. Okay. Okay, what is the square of 29? Square of 29. Squares you should know 1 to 30. 841. Good. I hope you haven't solved it with calculator. So 81 is equals to AC square. What is the square of 21? 21. 81 divided. Okay, then it's good. What's the square of 21? 441. Good. 441. Then 441 will just shift to other side. So 841. 441 when we shift to other side, it will become minus 441 is equals to AC square. Then square when we shift to other side, it will become square root. So now if we subtract, what we will get subtracting, after subtracting 400 we will get. So square root of 400 is equals to AC. So square root of 400 is 20. So 20 units we will get the value of perpendicular. That means AC's value. AC is equals to 20 units. Now we can find value of sin theta and cos theta. Then later on we'll just substitute. So theta is at angle B. So accordingly we have to see with respect to B which is perpendicular and which one is base. So sin theta. Sin's formula, yes, sin's formula is perpendicular by, yes Romit, what is the formula of sin? You have understood, it's really great. So what is the formula of sin theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular now with respect to angle B we have to see. So this is angle B. Here we have angle B because here is theta is given to us. So with respect to angle B, opposite side we have to see. So opposite is perpendicular. Opposite is perpendicular. So opposite is AC. AC by AB. Yes, so AC by AB. AB is the hypotenuse, that is fixed. So its value, it is, AC's value is 20 by 29. Yes, so 20 by 29. So sin theta I got here, I'll be writing the value 20 by 29. So let's find the value of cos theta now. So what is the formula of cos theta? Formula of cos theta. So cos theta's formula is hypotenuse by base. No. Base by hypotenuse. Yes, it's base by hypotenuse. Base, base whenever we are seeing with respect to that angle, adjacent side, the side which is in contact with that angle. So here with respect to angle B, see this side is in contact, BC. So that means it is BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC's value is what? BC's value is 21 and AB is 29. So this is 21 by 29. We found the value of sine theta and cos theta. Now let's find the required things. So what we have to find? We have to find, the first part says we have to find cos square theta plus sine square theta. So basically I have told you earlier also what will be the answer of cos square theta plus sine square theta. Without solving you have to tell. Because I have just told you the what will be the answer of this thing always, this expression's answer. Who knows? Yes, so Yashwadan has answered, Shivani, Shashank, Nikhil. Yes, the answer is 1. So let's simplify this. So cos theta's value is 21 by 29. Its whole square. This square means a whole square. Here square means a whole square. Sin theta's value is 20 by 29. 20 by 29. So here square means whole square. We can do its whole square. So 21's square is 441 by 841. Again here this is 20's square is 400. 400 by 841. When we add them we'll get 841 by 841 and both will get cancelled. So answer is equals to 1. So we already knew, and by after solving also we got the answer 1. Let's do second part here. Second part is cos square theta minus sine square theta. To find cos square theta minus sine square theta. Yes, Romit, I have understood the answer is 1 and you know that. Okay. So let's do the second part of this. Let's substitute the value. Cos theta is 21 by 29. So here whole square minus sine's value is 20 by 29. Its whole square. So 21 is 841. 21 is 441. Square of 21 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841. So what is the answer of this one? What is the answer of this one? Is Shivani has answer 41 by 841. Shivani, Shashank and yes, Romit, it's wrong. Your answer is wrong. Tarunya has answered 41 by 841. So here we have completed second question. So if anyone has any genuine doubt, you can just let me know. Or else we'll move towards the next question. So 2 questions we have completed. If anyone has any doubt, you can let me know. Yes, Sami has also done. Yes. Shashank, Tarunya, Sami and Yashwardhan. Okay, let's do next one. So why Praveen is not giving the answers? Let's do next question now. So this type of question, so in previous questions figures were given to us and now in here the questions, in this question figure is not given to us. Let's do this one. Secant theta, what is given to us? Secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. This is given to us and we have to find, what we have to find? We have to find all other trigonometric ratios. So what are all other trigonometric ratios? Other trigonometric ratios means sine theta, cos theta. So 6 trigonometric ratios are there. One of them is given to us and remaining 5 we have to find. Tan theta, cosecant theta and cot theta. So these 5 we have to find. So now how to do this one? So secant theta if it is given. So yesterday itself I told you, like in the previous class, what did I tell? Like sine's reciprocal is cosecant. Sine's reciprocal is cosecant. Cos reciprocal is, the reciprocal of cos is secant and reciprocal of tangent The tan's reciprocal is cot. So like this, if you remember these three, the other three automatically you can remember. So now secant theta it is given to us because these three formulas only I told you, the remaining three are their reciprocals. So secant theta we know. That means we know the value of cos theta also. We know the value of cos theta also. So cos theta and secant theta, they are reciprocal of each other. So if secant theta is 12 by 13, so its reciprocal is 12, secant theta is 13 by 12, so its reciprocal is 12 by 13. So that means we found the value of cos theta. Yes, so it is 12 by 13. Now how to do other trigonometric ratios? So one trigonometric ratio we found, so cos. Now remaining 5 we have to find. Yes, so Shashank has found sine also. So how to do, what we have to do, see this we will just assume. So we know from cos we will do, we know the formula of cos. Formula of cos is base by hypotenuse. Formula of cos is base by hypotenuse. So we will assume, see here ratio is there, this is trigonometric ratio. So opposite to base 12 is written. So we'll assume, let base is equals to 12x. Don't assume 12, here we are not doing MCQ question, so you have to write properly. So we have to assume. So because it's ratio, so we have to assume it like 12x, and hypotenuse, so opposite to hypotenuse is 13x. Like ratio means, say if when it was like 12x and 13x, the x and x would have got cancelled, and that's how we are left with 12 by 13. So this is the reason we are just assuming base not as 12 but as 12x, because after cancellation we have got this thing. So now perpendicular again we can find by using Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagorean triplet also we know that 5, 12, 13 is one Pythagorean triplet. But here we can't do directly, we have to find it out by using Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equals to, by using Pythagoras theorem I am just writing perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 13 here, so here we know. So 13x square is equals to perpendicular, here we have to find, so p square, base we know it is 12x whole square. So this will become, so tan, and Praveen has answered, even Tarunya, many of you have answered. So we are just applying Pythagoras theorem. So here 169x square is equals to p square, 12 square is 144. So x square, because the square means with both we have to do. Now 144, let's shift to this side. So when I shift it to this side, so 169x square, when this I am shifting to this side, it will become negative. So minus 144 x square is equals to p square. This is 25x square when you do the subtraction, and the square also when we shift to other side it will become square root. When we shift square to other side it will become square root. So square root of 25 is 5, square root of x is x, because with this square and root will get cancelled. So we found the value of p as 5x. So here I can write now, so value of p which we have found is 5x. Now remaining trigonometric ratios we can find. So we know the formulas. Sine's formula we know, it is p by h. Formula of sine is p by h. So p's value 5x we have found. 5x and hypotenuse is already given. We know 13x. So x and x will get cancelled. So sine theta's value we got 5 by 13. Sine theta's reciprocal we know. Yes. Which trigonometric ratio is the reciprocal of sine theta? Just now I told also. Yes, 5 by 13. Which trigonometric ratio? Cosecant. Yes. So I can write cosecant theta is equals to its reciprocal, that is 13 by 5. Now tan theta we can find. So tan's formula is P by B. So we can substitute the values. Perpendicular is 5x, base is 12x. This will get cancelled. So 5 by 12 is the answer of tan. Its reciprocal we can write, which is cot theta. So reciprocal of 5 by 12 is 12 by 5. Interchanging of numerator and denominator. Yes, 5 by 12. So cot theta is also 12 by 5. Yes. So we found the trigonometric ratios. Remaining trigonometric ratios. One of the trigonometric ratio was given to us by applying the formula. Yes, 5 by 12 is cot. Ma'am, I'm not able to understand. Okay, let's do next one. What you are not able to understand here, directly we are applying the formulas. No, ma'am. Tan. Did I do any mistake here? Cot is 5 by. You be seeing any. This is so funny. Romit, you just try to learn the formulas first. Did I make any mistake here? Okay, I'm correct. Okay, thanks for confirming, Shivani. Let's do the next one. Fourth question. So this question is again similar to the previous question. I'll ask formulas, don't worry. You learn the formulas first of all. So what is given to us in this one? Sine theta is equals to 5 by 13. So theta is acute. We have to find the value of this expression. Tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay, you solve it along with me and let's see who will complete this question before me. So special appreciation will be given to that person who will complete this question before me. Okay, so let's do. I'm going to start this one. Sin theta is given to us as in the previous question. The concept which we use, same concept we will use. We'll make use of the formula. Formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so because we have to find the value of tan theta and cot theta. Then only after finding their values we can substitute in the given expression. So for that we need all the three sides of the triangle. So tan and cot we need. So sin theta's value is given to us. So opposite to P 5 is written. So that means P we can assume as 5x. And opposite to hypotenuse 13 is there. So hypotenuse we can assume as 13x. Always you have to assume like this whenever ratio is given to us. So now we can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of perpendicular and base. So 13x whole square, P is 5x whole square, base we have to find here. So I'll be writing it as b square only. So 13 square is 169 x square. So 5x when I shift to other side, it will become minus 5x whole square. So 5x whole square is 25. So minus 25 x whole square. So b square also if I shift to other side, it will become square root. Yes, so 5, 12, 13. Yes, Shivani has already given the answer. But with the process we have to do. So that's why I'm just solving it like this. So this is 144 x square whole root. This is equals to b. So square root of 144 is 12 and square root of x square is x. So base is equals to 12x. So we found the value of base also. Base is equals to 12x. Now we need the value of tan. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular's value is 5x and base value is 12 we found. X and x will get cancelled. So 5 by 12. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So directly I can write this is 12 by 5. So Shashank has given 18 by 12. Yashwardhan has also given the answer. Okay, let's check. Very good. Both of you have done it. So tan theta plus 1 by cos theta I have to, okay, it's not cot theta, it's cos theta. It's tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. So cos theta's value we can find. Cos theta is equals to, cos theta's formula is base by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to base by hypotenuse. So base is 12x, hypotenuse is 13x. So that means it is 12 by 13. So here let's substitute. So tan theta is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 plus 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Cos theta's value is 12 by 13. Yes, cos. I just wrote it by mistake. Now two fractions, first of all, when they are getting divided, we'll just simplify this. So 5 by 12 plus this 1 we can write as 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 into, when this division sign, so the above fraction where I had only 1, I just wrote that 1 as 1 by 1 because 1 means 1 by 1 only. So first fraction as it is, this division sign we can change into multiplication, and the fraction which is written at the denominator, its reciprocal we have to write. So reciprocal of 12 by 13 is 13 by 12. So here what I got, so 5 by 12 plus 13 into 1 is 13 by 12. 5 plus 13 is 18. So 18 by 12, if I do it simplification further, it will become, on which table? Directly we can do 4, 6 table. 6 into 2, 6 into 3. So 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. See, final answer no one has given. 3 by 2 is the answer. No one has given the answer. Everyone in this form, 18 by 12, 18 by 12. So you have to do cancellation and you have to simplify, and till this step you have to solve it. Let's do next question now. So now you people have writing 3 by 2 I have already done. So it's okay. Next question, whenever cancellation is possible, you have to do it. You gave the answer first, Shashank, but you didn't do cancellation. You just gave the answer in 18 by 12 form. But the answer is 3 by 2. Okay. Yes, so many of you, every one of you have given the answer like this, 18 by 12. But the answer was 3 by 2. You people didn't cancel it. Let's do the next question. Mistake. Okay, Romit, you try to write the questions along with me. I don't know what you are telling. I can't understand. So, next question number 5th we are doing now. So, in a right angle triangle, so first of all, let's draw figure because they have mentioned it. So, it's better to draw the figure. So, right angle triangle is there, which is right angled at B. Right angled at B. So, ABC is the name of the triangle. So, like this is the triangle. So, what is given to us? Cot A is 1. Cot A is 1. So, cotangent A is equals to 1. A angle is here. I'm just highlighting it. So, what we have to prove? So, this is what given to us. What we have to prove something here. So, what we have to prove? We have to prove 2 sine A into cos A is equals to 1. So this is what we have to prove. 2 sine A into cos A is equals to 1. That means we need the value of here sine A and cos A. So how to find sine A and cos A? Only one thing is given to us. Cot A is 1. 1 I can write as 1 by 1. 1 we can write as 1 by 1. And here I know cot's formula is base by perpendicular because it's the reciprocal of tan. It's the reciprocal of tan. So, see, Yashvardhan, you are not doing the question. We will utilize formula of cot. Yes. So, because of ratio, so let B is equals to 1x and P is also equals to 1x. So, because of ratio, we are assuming like this. So both 1, so directly I can write, but with respect to angle A, you have to remember base is AB, and perpendicular is BC with respect to angle A. Opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. So I have written that way also. By using Pythagoras theorem, let's find the third side of the triangle, because we need hypotenuse for sine and cos. For sine and cos, we need hypotenuse. So let's apply the formula. So h square is equals to, again Pythagoras theorem, h square is equals to p square plus b square. P's value 1x whole square, b's value also 1x whole square. So h square. 1x whole square means x square plus x square only. X square plus x square. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So this is 2x square. And when this square we shift to other side, it will become square root. Square root of 2 will be writing as root 2 only, and square root of x will write as x. Square root of x square, because this square and root will get cancelled. So root 2x. So the value of AC we have found root 2x. Root 2 by root 2, 1. Yes, so root 2x we have found the value of hypotenuse. So all the three sides are known. Now let's find the value of sine A and cos A. So sine A's value I am going to find. So sine A's formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So with respect to A we have to write. With respect to A, BC is the perpendicular opposite side. So this is angle A. So this is BC by AC is a hypotenuse. So hypotenuse value we know it is fixed. It will be always AC. So BC's value is 1x and value of AC is root 2x. So what is the value of sine A? Sine A is equals to 1 by root 2. So this is the value of sine x. Now let's find the value of cos x. Cos A. So cos A is base by hypotenuse. So base we know with respect to angle AB is the, with respect to angle AB is the base, so adjacent is the base, hypotenuse is AC. Here also if we substitute, we will get the value as AB's value is 1x, AC's value is root 2x. X and x will get cancelled, so the value of cos A is also 1 by root 2. Now let's see what we have to find. We will substitute the value of sine and cos there. 1 by root 2. Yes. Am I audible? So we found the value of sine and cos both as. Am I audible now? Am I guess internet issue? Yes, I think so, but now I think it's fine. The video is lagging. No, I think it is fine now. This is my voice clear now? Audible, but voice is breaking. 1 second. Mm, It's okay now. Okay. So I found the value of sine A and cos A. So what I have to prove? I have to prove that 2 sine A to cos A is equals to 1. So left hand side only I will be taking. This is left hand side. So left hand side we can simplify. So 2 into sine A. Sine A is 1 by root 2. Cos A is also 1 by root 2. So what I will get, 2 into 1 is 2 only. Root 2 into root 2 is also 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is equals to 1, and this is also equals to right hand side. So hence proved. So is it clear? Is it clear now? 1. So answer is 1, and which is equals to right hand side also. Shall we do next question? So Divya has also given the answer. Divya, Rishik and Shivani. Okay, let's do next question. In next question again similar type of question, but in this question we don't need any figure. It's given to us tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. Tan theta is given to us, and what we have to find? We have to find the value of secant theta plus cosecant theta. So this is what we have to find. So that means first of all we have to find the value of secant theta and cosecant theta. After that we can just add them. Find secant also. So both we have to find. So same way we will do like we did previous question. So tan theta's formula will utilize. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So because of ratio, because here also ratio is given to us, so that's why perpendicular will assume as let P is equals to 5x and B is equals to 12x. So we can simplify like this we have done in previous question also. So I will not do because the same Pythagorean triplets are there. So I will not do. I have done this. See, you have to use Pythagoras theorem. When you are solving these type of questions, you have to do Pythagoras theorem. You have to find the value of hypotenuse. Here because same Pythagorean triplet we are getting in each and every question. So I am just skipping. So we'll know what is the value of hypotenuse. We'll find its value is 13x. Yes, so 13x we can find. I hope in exam you will not write directly. Here I am just writing because of the same triplet. Now we have all three: perpendicular we have, base we have, hypotenuse we have. So first thing what we have to do, we have to find the value of secant theta. So that's the first thing. Secant theta, secant theta's formula. What is the formula of secant theta? Romit is waiting for the class to end. It's fine, no problem. Let him wait. Secant theta. What is the formula of secant theta? Answer directly. You people are telling formula. I want to know. 221 by 60. Final answer. Shashank has calculated the final answer also. Yes, so Saksham has given the answer. Hypotenuse by base. This is the reciprocal. This is the reciprocal. Saksham and Divya has given the answer. This is reciprocal of cos. Cos is base by hypotenuse. So this one is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse value is 13. So 13x and base value is 12x. So secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. So first part we have done, secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. Now we have to find for second part. See, second part what we have to find in second part, we have to find the value of this secant theta plus cosecant theta. So that's why for cosecant theta here, let's find the value of cosecant theta also. So what is the formula of cosecant theta? Formula of cosecant theta is, it's the reciprocal of sine. Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse by perpendicular. We'll just substitute the value. Hypotenuse is 13x. Perpendicular is 5x. Now x and x will get cancelled. So 13 by 5. We got the value of both of the trigonometric ratios which we require. Secant theta is 13 by 12. So in second part, this second part now I am doing. First part we have done. So secant theta's value is 13 by 12. Cosecant theta's value is 13 by 5. H by P. Yes. 221. So here we have to, now two fractions they are getting added. So their denominators are not same. We have to make their denominator same. So this we have to multiply by 5 up and down. Here this we have to multiply by 12. So 13 into 5 is 65. 65 by 60. And 13 into 12. What is 13 into 12? 13 into 12. Multiply it and tell me the answer. I'm not going to do calculations here. I'll just substitute. Tarunya has given the, okay, many of you are giving me the final answer. Tell me multiplication of 13 into 12. 156. 156 by 60. After adding them, what we will get? We'll get 221 by 60. 156, yes. So 221 by 60 is the correct answer. And Shivani, Tarunya has given the answer. Other than that, yes, Yashvardhan has also given the answer. Shashank has given the answer. Okay. Shall we do one more question? Shall we do one more question? Or in next class we should do? Yes, I told your name. Shashank has given the answer at first. I mentioned that. Next question. You want to do in the next class or you want to continue now? No, you don't want to do. I'm asking others. Is there anyone who wants to do? How many of you wants to do this question now itself? One more. Okay, let's do this one. This one is little different question. I want you to pay attention here. The question is different from the questions which we have done like previously. Let's see what is given to us. So this is given to us 3 sine theta. 3 sine theta is equals to 4 cos theta. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of this expression. 4 sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 2. So this is what we have to find. Now what is the difference between this question and the previous question? Previous questions only one trigonometric ratio was given, like sine theta is equals to 3 by 4, something like that it was given to us. But in this question you can see one equation is given to us in which two trigonometric ratios are there. 3 sine theta and 4 cos theta. So what we should do now? Numbers let's shift on one side and trigonometric ratios let's shift on one side. So here I am shifting from this side I am shifting 3 to other side, and from this side I am shifting cos to other side. So what I will get? Sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta was already there. I shifted cos theta to this side. So cos theta will get divided. Now this side I have 4 already. 3 I am shifting to other side. So 3 here it was getting multiplied by sine theta. When I am shifting it to other side, it will get divided. So sine theta by cos theta's value I got, this is equals to 4 by 3. And our quotient relation today I told you when we were doing previous questions, I told you one quotient relation that cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. That was the relation I told you. See, cot theta and tan theta, they are reciprocal relations. So you have to remember their quotient relations. Also, so cot theta can be expressed in terms of sine and cos. Same way tan theta can also be expressed. So tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. So these quotient relations you can remember. Apart from reciprocal relations, these two relations you can remember. Voice is breaking. I think it's fine now. It's lagging. Is it fine now or still it's breaking? I'll explain. Is my voice clear now? Am I audible now? It's fine. Okay. Just listen once again. See, I was just first of all, given thing I'm using. So what I did, I just converted, I shifted trigonometric ratios to one side. Yes, I will explain from the starting. From starting, I'll explain. And one more thing they gave, that is theta is acute. Yes, theta is acute. Acute means theta is less than 90. So that is also given to us. You can just remember, because we have to just remember here we are actually dealing with acute theta, like less than 90-degree angles. So other thing which is given to us is this 3 sine theta is equals to 4 cos theta. So sine and cos, let's shift on one side. So sine theta is there this side. Cos I am just shifting to this side. So cos, when I shift to other side, here it is getting multiplied. When I shift to other side, it will get divided. Now 4 is already present on this side. I am shifting 3 also to this side. Numbers on one side and trigonometric ratios on one side. So here I am getting 4 by 3. So sine theta by cos theta is equals to 4 by 3. Now here you can see this relations I was telling you, you have to remember. Apart from reciprocal relations, we have cot theta and tan theta's quotient relations also. So these are known as quotient relations. So sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta, and tan's reciprocal is cot. So cot is cos theta by sine theta. So this you have to remember. So here we have got this thing only. We have got sine theta by, here we have got sine theta by cos theta. So how I can write this sine theta by cos theta? Sine theta by cos theta I can write as tan theta. So which is 4 by 3. Is this thing clear? Tan theta. So this was the only difference between this question and the previous questions. So sine theta by cos theta, here we have to write as tan theta. Is this thing clear now? Now this is similar to the ones we did. Tan theta, we have got one trigonometric ratios value. We have got, we know it is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular we can assume as 4x, and base we can assume as 3x, and we can find the value of hypotenuse. So without solving, tell me what will be the value of hypotenuse. This is also very common Pythagorean triplet. 3, 12. Which Pythagorean triplet? So hypotenuse we can find. So h square is equals to p square plus b square. Perpendicular is here 4x. 4x square. Base is 3x square. So 16x square plus 9x square. So I am just simplifying. So 25x square. Here h square, h square. So when square we shift to other side, it will become square root. So square root of 25 is 5, and square root of x square is x. So hypotenuse we found 5x by using Pythagoras theorem. So we know perpendicular, we know base, and hypotenuse also now. So let's find the given thing now. What we have to find? Let's find that. 4 sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 2. This is what we have to find. 4 sine square theta. So sine we know, sine theta here I'll just find. This sine theta we know it is P by H. Sine theta is P by H. Value of P is 4x. Value of H is 5x. So sine x is equals to 4 by 5. Cos theta we know it is base by hypotenuse. Base is 3x. So it was given to us. See, from here I am seeing hypotenuse is 5x. So cos theta is equals to 3 by 5, as x and x is getting cancelled here. Now let's substitute the values here. So once I substitute sine square theta, what I'll get? It's 4 by 5 whole square. 4 into 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 into cos theta is 3 by 5. So its value I'm substituting 3 by 5 whole square plus 2. So 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. So 4 into 16 by 25 minus 3 into 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25 plus 2. Now let's multiply these also. So 64 by 25 minus 27 by 25. So only multiplication, because multiplication we have to do first before addition or subtraction as per BODMAS rule. Plus 2. See, 2 by 1 it is. So here fractions are getting added or subtracted. Whenever fractions are getting added or subtracted, we have to make the denominator same. So here denominator should be 25. So this I am just multiplying with 25 up and down. So what I will get, 2 into 25 is 50. 50 by 25. So what is the final answer we will get? What's the final answer? 64 minus 27. 64 minus 27. So you all can give me the answer. Is 87 correct? 87 by 25. So that we have to do. I want others also to give answer. So 64 minus 27. So this is 7. 37. 37 plus 50. Yes, 37 plus 50 is 87 only. So answer is 87 by 25. Yes, the answer is correct. 87 by 25 is the correct answer. So Mr. Apar, I don't know who is that. You can tell me your name. Then Shashank, Praveen, Saksham, 36. Yes, it's a pleasure. Okay, thank you. So this was the last question of today's class. I really enjoyed taking the class. I hope you have also enjoyed and you have understood also. We'll continue the class on Monday. So as I told, like one chapter will do 3 classes. So next class will have little more tricky type of questions. Today we did little easy questions also. So next class of this chapter will be on Monday, same time 9 to 10. If today you have any doubt, you can just let me know, or else you can start leaving the class. Okay, it's very funny. Actually, I think because of Romit only we enjoyed today. Yes, 812 subscribers. So daily we are growing. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.